My kids are all geared up in firefighter jackets and helmets ready to save the day. Kids have stepped into the medical zone. Zohan and Arham are dressed as doctors and my daughter Zimal is looking adorable in her nurse outfit.
Good morning from Miami and welcome back to my channel with another video. And why I'm using these sunglasses, trust me, it's really hot outside. It's sunny day here in Miami and it's almost 87 degree. And what I'm gonna do today is we're going to explore Children Museum Miami. It's one of the best tourist place, and yeah, let's explore it together. Alright, so we have arrived at the Children's Museum Miami. Let's see what we can explore here, and I'm gonna share my experience with you.
As we step into the Children's Museum of Miami, the excitement begins right away. Straight ahead, I see a mini Publix, yes, the famous grocery store. To my right is the construction zone, and to the left, a tiny Bank of America, where children can role play as bankers and customers. Let's head into the construction zone first. And here's my kid Zohan. He's getting hands-on with big foam blocks and soft materials, building walls, towers, whatever he can imagine. And look at this, my boy Zohan is now riding a realistic police bike. Now they are all inside the Publix grocery store section. They are walking around with carts, picking up pretend turkey, meat, ice cream, and more. It's a complete shopping experience made just for kids. There's even a checkout station where they scan and bag their groceries. It's so much fun to watch. Okay, now we're in the Miami Heat safety zone, a full-on firehouse setup. My kids are all geared up in firefighter jackets and helmets ready to save the day. And here's a funny moment. Arham is pretending to spray water on a fire. making his own sound effects and everything. He's really into it. It's hilarious. Now the kids have stepped into the medical zone. Zohan and Arham are dressed as doctors, and my daughter Zimal is looking adorable in her nurse outfit. The pet care zone. Here kids can pretend to groom and care for pets. After all that running around, we have stepped into a calm and cozy room. It's beautiful, designed with colors, characters, and soft lighting. The perfect place for kids to take a break and recharge. Now we're in the 5 Millers Family Foundation South Florida and Me exhibit. The kids are doing some pretend fishing using rods to catch toy fish in a fake tank. They're focused, laughing, and having a great time. Then they moved on to some coloring activities, filling in papers with bright colors. It's calm and creative. And just next to it is something very special, a quiet, sensor-friendly room made for children with autism or sensory needs. It's peaceful, safe, and beautiful, designed for kids who may need a break. It really shows how inclusive this museum is. Now we have entered the Baptist Children's Hospital area where the focus is all about health and wellness. There's a stationary bike, fun fitness games, and reflex testing activities, all designed to help kids learn about staying active and strong while having a blast. Here, the kids are using a pulley system to lift up fabric blocks just like a cargo at railport. They're learning how simple machines work while having fun lifting and lowering the load. It's smart and hands-on. And now we're in the music zone, full of energy and creativity. There's a giant floor piano where every step plays a note, so kids are dancing and making music at the same time. And finally, we're in the art room, also called the creative studio. Kids can sit down, grab some paints, crayons or markers and let their imagination run wild.
Okay, so it's time to wrap up the video. It was amazing experience. So kids, did you enjoy?
Yes.
Yes, we all did enjoy. It was amazing. And thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.